My final opening for my birthday special, and it's the Shiny Star V. Shiny Star V here. Shiny Star V. 10 packs. Of course, we're after the Charizard VMAX or the Charizard, the Shiny Charizard. Alright. Wish me luck, guys. Stay tuned for more videos, and of course, if you guys like this content, definitely give me a like, please, or a comment, and stay tuned for more. Here we go, opening up the Shiny Star V. Authentic Japanese. Ooh, get these 10 packs out gently. Alright, here we go. First pack here of the Shiny Star V. I love the backs of these, the Japanese cards. Like, compared to English cards or whatever, just look at the backs. Look at that, like, that's so cool. Alright, first card, let's get it. And it is the promo card of the Charizard. I'm gonna collect all of these too, just because. Why not? Alright, here we go. I don't know these Pokemon, I'm sorry. These cards look nice though. Oh, that's a cute one. That's cute. I was gonna know exactly. Ooh, first shiny, let's go. I forgot the name of this one, but teacup. Shiny. And nice. Oh, that's not all. Oh, okay. Shiny. Shiny. I'm getting ahead of myself. Hollow. Hollow. And oh, full art. Let's go, Lapras. That's one of the cards I've been wanting. And what is this? A reverse hollow? Yeah. That's the reverse hollow, I believe. I don't know actually. Has like a weird, cool. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a swirly looking design. Lovely. Second pack, let's go. Give me more luck, come on. It's my birthday, come on, Pokegods, Pokemon card gods. I feel so bad for ripping packs so badly, but oh well. Is nice. Alright, what is this, an owl looking thing? I guess I don't know these names. Another teacup. Just like the pre-evolved version, I guess. I don't know. Urchin looking thing. Very big dinosaur. Water bucket paint looking. Yeah. I know this one. I just forgot the name. Pardon me. Hey, I like that. The holographic. What's his name too? I know his name too. I'm sorry. I'm just messing up right now. Uh-oh. I see something nice in the back. I've messed up. I kind of peeked. And let's go. Shiny full art Rillaboom. I will take that. I like that. And then in the reverse hollow swirl thing is the coughing. Nice. Dude, nice. I see the back. The back looks pristine. I might get this one graded. Maybe. The Lapras too. The Lapras looks really good. So full art shiny. Right there. The good thing about these, the way I love about these packs, is you're guaranteed to get something good. You know, it may not be huge, but it's like either you got shiny, you got a nice full art. I think it's a guaranteed full art hollow. So you get to have fun with these. And you know, they're the OGs in Japanese. Alright, third pack here. The card is whatever that is. Bird. First card is Barracuda looking fish. I forgot his name already. I need to learn these names so I don't look like a terrible noob out here. Yeah. I know this one too. Forgot his name. I have this one actually somewhere. Not in Japanese though. Ooh, that's cool. It's a nice trainer card. Forgot his name too. Okay, first hollow is behind here. Nice. Next hollow is. I feel so bad. I really need to research more before I start doing these pack openings so I don't look this bad. Forgot his name too, but full art here. Just a regular hollow. Sheep thing and the nice reverse. These reverses are really cool. Alright, let's go with that. Okay, let's go by what's it, pack 4? There you go. That's what I like right here. That's what I like to do. Easy pack opening. Alright. Hey, big Pikachu. I like the big Pikachu. Still gonna try to pull him out of Vivid Voltage. Vivid Voltage. Okay, next is the Squish Bunny. Or Twitch Bunny, what's his name? Oh, why that Pokemon looks so sad? Don't be sad, man. Don't know what that is. It's the Cobra one. Dang. I'll just describe some of these because I don't know names. There's a training card with some glowy mushrooms. Hey, another shiny. Let's go. Don't know what that is though, but it's a shiny. I'll take it. Hollow. That's a sick hollow. It's like Wolverine slashing through. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Look at the amazing rare Kyogre. Amazing rare Kyogre. I love the amazing rare card. And then last, well, not last card, but the next card is a full art. Yeah, I forgot his name again. Sorry. And there's a reverse hollow of that card. But let me get these sleeved up. This one's a little nicked up, but they are almost in pristine condition too. So I'll probably be grading any of these cards soon. Especially the amazing rare Kyogre. I don't know if you can see it, but man, that one is, ooh, that's a sick card. Nice pull there. Alright, how many packs we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is a 4th one. Let's keep on repping. Still looking for that Charizard, shiny Charizard, or VMAX Charizard, rainbow one. Really hoping I can pull them in one of these packs. Got a long way to go, so. Alright, let's see if I got a new code card. I did. Nice. One out there. Oh, look, it's a regular version of that. Another shiny right there. I'm not sure what this is, I forgot. It's a pony. Ponytail. Pretty sure. Well, nice. I got that angry little monster thing again. Next. Got trainer cards, a sword. Hunter. My first hollow is this clay stone looking thing. I wonder if it's getting out of focus or not. Second is the hollow bug thing. Hey, I got another Lapras. Nice, a V Lapras. So it's not the full art VMAX. I will take it. And last card is reverse hollow. I forgot his name too. You guys gonna have to correct me on these names eventually. I promise I will try to do better for the next video and the next Pokemon. Keyword try. No guarantees. Alright, so no shiny in that one. Nothing too crazy. Did get a Lapras though. My cards. Let's go. Alright, look at that Pokemon Sword and Shield promo. Ooh. Don't know what's going on there. Okay. First card. Second card is chilling on a bench. Third card, it's time to sweep it up. Don't know. It's a common there. Trainer. There goes my first holographic right there. That looks like a cool, pretty strong Pokemon, I guess. Another hollow there. Like a penguin with his cube on his head. Don't know. Ooh, nice. So next card is 4 packs left. 4 packs left. On my birthday opening of the shiny star V's. Try to go a little faster. Don't want to make this video too long. I got other videos to record too. Alright. Nice, nice. Here we go. Like I said, I don't that big snowman looking Pokemon. Don't know what Pokemon that is. Nice. Got me another shiny here. Is that that charcoal one, I think. Forgot the name too. But still a shiny. Got another shiny. I like these little mini shinies. Got Farfetch'd as my hollow. Next is cool looking Pokemon, another hollow. And next is the dog V. And last but not least, the trainer reverse hollow. So I did get a shiny out of that one. I'm not gonna complain. 3 packs left. Let me get these sleeved up and keep it going. Alright. Let's get it. Pack 8 right here. Come on. Give me the Charizard, please. At least one Charizard this video. One Charizard would be great. Come on, please. Charizard pop up in my hand right here. Alright. Here we go. Trainer, I see something shining. Oh, that's a holographic, right? Yeah. Holographic trainer. And a holographic. I have one of these. Oh, there goes the VMAX. Not a shiny, but it is a dope card, full art. I like it. Very swirly. I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's a good pull. Reverse hollow. Man, no Charizard though. Second last pack. Let's hope I get some second to last pack of luck here. Still hoping for that Charizard, man. Still hoping for that Charizard. Alright. There it goes. So cute. Coughing, looking creepy. Oh, the evolved version of the Ponyta. Trainer. Whatever that is. Holographic. Hey, he looks evil. Looks dope. Alright, that's centered. Nice, I'll take this. I like this Pokemon. Caught him a lot in Pokemon Go. I forgot his name though. I am very forgetful. Ooh, got the Ditto VMAX. Nice, ultra rare Well, is it ultra rare? Yes. Man, I really wanted that one to be the shiny though. Shiny Ditto looks sick, but I will take a VMAX Ditto for sure. First hollow teacup. Last pack. Will this be the one? Come on, Charizard, right here in my hand. Come on, please, please, man. That's all I'm asking. Here we go. All right, this is it. All or nothing right here. Let's get it. All right, let's go. Come on, at least a shiny. At least a shiny. If no Charizard, at least a shiny. Alright, and holographic. Oh, holographic. This looks no shiny today. Oh man. Got this Pokemon, the one in the V. And the last is the reverse hollow right there. Man. Looks like I struck out. Still got some nice stuff. Got what, 3 shinies here. 3 baby shinies. Can't complain. Not mad about that at all. Got some V's, V Maxes. That Ditto though, that Ditto's pretty sick. I like it. Lapras. This amazing rare Kyogre though. I like that one. I'll take that one. And of course the first Lapras, which also is one of my favorites. So let's get some VMAXs though. So these two are my favorites. Yeah. Well, that'll do it. That will be all for my birthday pack opening. Got some really nice cards out of this box. I can't complain. I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys for watching, sticking with me this long. Hope to do some more. If you like this, give it a like, comment, give me some recommendations for boxes or anything to open. Yeah, like I said, collect Pokemon cards, basketball, football, maybe Yu-Gi-Oh. I don't know. I'm not really into Yu-Gi-Oh that much. I mean, unless it's like that first edition gold, maximum gold. That was pretty dope. It was a fun little birthday gift for myself. Get some of these packs opened. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe. I'm out. Peace.